Alright guys, so here we want to start the drafting of the kids trouser. Bear in mind that this is for 1 year old boy, like a boy of 1 year old. So we have gotten the fabric. So the yardage you can use for this is half yard, or you can still buy 1 yard, for subsequent use. So here you fold in this form, and then you mark out, you check the length of the trouser first, if it will be enough to get to the length, which is very much okay. So here you mark out your baselines. So your baseline here must be properly marked out. After you have marked out the baseline here, you also mark out the side line. Make sure everything here is properly marked out. Then mark 2 inches here for the folding or hemming of the trouser. Mark it twice. Then connect the line in this form. Connect the line in this form. Then after which, the next you will do here is to apply the length of trouser, which we have to be 16. So you mark 16 inches there for your length of trouser, and then get your crotch depth. So how do you get the crotch depth? The crotch depth is gotten from the hips of 4, so which we have a hips of 28. So divide by 4 is 7, and then mark your hip measurement. Then come in here by 1.5, mark your ankle measurement by 2, and then add extra 2 inches to the hip. And then here you are going to raise the hip value straight line to the waistline, because we're making a rope trouser. For children you have to make it rope. So here you slant, you raise it up this way, and then slant it all through to this form. So here we are going to use our pattern master hip curve to make a curve here. Armhole curve goes all through that way. Then blend here properly to lap. Just blend it properly so that it doesn't have that sharp bend. So after you have cut out this, then you cut from here. Bear in mind that this trouser, you don't need to put pocket because it's still for a 1 year old baby. But from 1 year and above, from 1.5 years, 2 years, 3 years, you can put pockets. So here it's just for like a personal wear you use for birthday shoots or ceremonial purposes. So after you have cut out this, then we are going to cut the back panel. So for the back panel, you place it in this form. So because we are making it to be a rope trouser, you will not need to raise the back. So the length of the front panel and the back panel will be equal. So here you extend the line all through this way, and the mark to 1.75 there. I added 1.75 or 2 inches maximum is what you can add. Then connect the lines all through in this form. So once the lines have been properly connected in that form, then mark 1.5 or 1 inch rather at the waist point, and 1.75 at the hip region. Then connect all through in this form. After which you cut out the waistline, you cut out this area, cut out this area as well. So after you have cut out this, you also cut the sides and make sure it's equal. Then you slit the opening of the leg. That's the baseline now. Depends on how you fold it, right? Then this is for the pocket facing, if you were to put pocket facing. So here we are going to cut the band. So the band, you just drag the fabric to come in this form, and then mark out a baseline, and then you measure 3.5 inch for the band value. So here you mark 3.5 and then cut it out in this form. So I will also show you guys the sewing tutorial, but don't forget to like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So after you have cut out the band this way, so the next you will cut here will be the rope for the waist. So the width is 1 inch, then by the length that will be ideal or be enough to go around the waist circumference and have excesses as well.